Lesson 10, Leisure. This lesson covers the things that you do in your spare time. I like reading. Is mailum vehelév. I read a good novel last week. Leas oerscéal ma an teachtan secaite. My favourite poet is Yeats. Sé Yeats an fille is fearlum. I never read books. Ní léim leabhar a riamh. I only read non-fiction books. Ní léim ach leabhar neamh-iction. My favourite reading matter is newspapers and magazines. Nuachtáin agus irisí an tábhar léthóireachta is fearlum. Reading puts me to sleep. Cuireann léthóireacht i mo chola mé. Now listen to these phrases and repeat. I like reading novels. Is mailum bheith ag léamh uair-scéalta. I never read newspapers. Ní léim nuachtáin a riamh. Now try saying, I only read magazines. Ní léim a chirisí. Now try saying, my favourite book is Peg. Sé Peg an leabhar is fearlum. Watching TV. I watch TV most nights. Féacham an telefís beagnach gach éanaithe. I love watching documentaries. Is breolum a bheithe féachant chláracha faisnéise. I'm addicted to soap operas. Táim tucha don na sobal rámaí. Have you got the TV guide? An bhfuil an treabhar telefíse agat? Did you see the news last night? Ó bhaca tú an nuacht a réir. Too much TV fries your brain. Million an nummercha telefíse an inchin. Now, listen to these phrases and repeat. I watch soap opera most nights. Féacham hubal rámaí beagnach gach éanaithe. I'm addicted to the news. Táim tucha don nuacht. Now try saying, did you watch TV last night? Réach tú an telefís a réir. Listening to the radio. What station do you like? Cén stáisiún radio is maileat? They play too much chart music. Shineann siad a nummercha cart cheoil. I love the jazz program. Is breolum an chlár hnag cheoil. Talk radio drives me mad. Cuireann radio cainte saoir mé. What time is the radio play on RTE? Cén táim a dosnaíonn an drama radio RTE? Are they broadcasting the match live? Ó bhfuil an cluiche á chraoladh beo acu? Now listen to these phrases and repeat. I love talk radio. Is breolum na chláracha Cainte ar an radio. What time is the match on the radio? Cén táim a dosnaíonn an chluiche ar an radio. Now try saying, I love the chart music station. Is breolum an stáisiún leis an gart cheol. Other activities. I go to evening classes on Wednesdays. Téim ag ranganna oíche ar an Gaeilge. I play indoor soccer one night a week. Imríam soccer taimhstig íhuáin sa teachtain. I swim every morning. Téim ag snáb gach maidin. I play the piano to relax. Sinnim an piano chun muscí a ligan. I am an amateur photographer. Is grian grafador amateurach me. I am a committee member. Is baul den chuiste me. I do a lot of charity work. Denum go leor obair charthanachta. I am as lazy as sin. Tá néal fáilsachta orm ó rugú me. She is a good cook. Cócaire ma í. Now listen to these phrases and repeat. I go to piano classes one night a week. Téim ag rang on the piano íhuáin sa teachtain. I swim every morning to relax. Téim a snáb gach maidin chun muscí a ligan. Now try saying, she is as lazy as sin. Tá néal fáilsachta orthe ó a rugaí. Now we will conclude this section by recapping on the vocabulary learned over the last 2 lessons. Listen and repeat. Driving, ag tomáint. The car, an car. Parking, ag pórceáil. The motorway, an motorvealach. A parking space, áit pórceála. The traffic was bad. Bhí an trácht go donna. The fare, an táille. Bus, bus. How long? Céannaid. The journey, an toras. Train timetable. Chlárama na tréanach. Train station, stáisiún tréanach. Flight, etilt. First thing, an chéadrod. In the morning, maidin. Check-in, seicáil isteach. In advance, rim ré. 2 hours, rá uirich lig. 1 piece, píosa amháin. Hand luggage, bagáiste láimhe. The ferry, an bád fear an tóireachta. Car ferry, an bád fear an tóireachta do Ghluaisteáin. How much is? Cévéad táir. Round trip, toras filte. Reading, ag léamh. Novel, uirscéal. Poet, fille. Non-fiction books, leabhar, neamh-icshin. Newspapers, nuachtáin. Magazines, irishi. I watch TV, fechim an telefís. Documentaries, chlóracha fascnéise. I'm addicted. Time tucadun. Soap operas, subtle grámaí. The TV guide, an treabhar telefíse. The news, an nuacht. Too much an nummercha. Radio station, stáisiún radio. Chart music, cart cheoil. Jazz program, clár hnag cheoil. Talk radio, chlóracha cainte. Drives me mad. Cuireann sé sair me. The radio play, an drama radio. Are they broadcasting the match live? Bhfuil cluiche á chraoladh beo acu. Evening classes, rangana ihe. Indoor soccer, soccer taobhistigh. I swim, tame ag snámh. Play the piano, shine on piano. Relax, ski a ligan. Amateur photographer, grian grafador amateurach. A committee member, baul den chuiste. Charity work, ober charhanachta. I am as lazy as sin, tá nail fáilsachta orm ó rugú mé.